Dark spots on the face can be caused by various factors such as sun damage, hormonal changes, acne scars, and aging. Here are some tips to help remove dark spots. Use sunscreen. Wearing sunscreen with at least SPF 30 can help prevent further damage from the sun and can also reduce the appearance of existing dark spots. Use vitamin C. Vitamin C can help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Look for serums or moisturizers that contain vitamin C as an active ingredient. Exfoliate. Exfoliating can help to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, which can reduce the appearance of dark spots. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub once or twice a week. Use retinoids. Retinoids can help to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Look for over-the-counter products that contain retinoids, or talk to your dermatologist about prescription-strength retinoids. Use hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a skin-lightening agent that can help to reduce the appearance of dark spots. It is available in over-the-counter creams or can be prescribed by a dermatologist. Consider chemical peels. Chemical peels can help to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Talk to your dermatologist about whether a chemical peel is right for you. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to treating dark spots. Stick to a daily skincare routine that includes sunscreen and active ingredients that target dark spots, and be patient as it can take several weeks or even months to see significant results.